Hi guys, I'm Aditi Patil and I'm here to talk about body dysmorphic disorder. What is it? So, it is a mental disorder where a person is observing too much of their flaws and they are looking at themselves as ugly person. So I have counseled such 5 to 6 people recently who were suffering from this body dysmorphic disorder, and they were thinking like, I'm too fat, I'm too skinny, I'm too ugly, my nose is flat, my teeth are not even, my face fat is not distributed evenly, my body fat is not distributed evenly, I'm too skinny, my hairs are wavy, my hairs are curly, my hairs are too straight or too thin. All of them were too conscious about their looks and about their body. Why? Because they were betrayed in relationship, they were rejected by someone they loved. So this is the basic reason, this is the root cause of it. Why person hates their body? Why there is reason to hate their body or their face? Because they are comparing themselves with someone else. So their person, loved one, must have betrayed them with someone else. So they started comparing themselves with someone else. One reason. Or they are scrolling too much of social media, due to which they are every day they are watching so many beautiful faces, beautiful people, girls and guys. No one is perfect. Actually, no one is perfect and no one's life is perfect. Even if those people on the internet are beautiful or handsome, but they also must be facing some problems in their life, maybe financial problems, maybe relationship issues, maybe another issues, maybe related to emotional vacuum. They might not be getting the love in their life. It's not necessary that everyone will get everything. You might not look beautiful all your life. You might try. You might lose weight, you try to look good, you try to remain fit, but still there are people who are skinny and they think, oh, that girl has such a beautiful curvy figure and I am not gaining weight. And the girl who is fat is actually looking at skinny girl thinking, oh, she is so skinny, she is so beautiful and she is so attractive, and like that. So everyone is unhappy about their own body. They are not grateful for what they have. They are healthy and they are alive. They should be grateful for that first. You are a unique creation of God. So you should be grateful for what you have already. You should never compare yourself with someone else. You should never reject or hate yourself just because someone else is hating you, rejecting you, or betraying you. You don't have to look at yourself with their perspective. Who are they? They are perfect in their life? Who are these people who are hating you, rejecting you, betraying you? Are they perfect in their life? No. So don't look at yourself from their perspective. We start hating ourselves because that person has blocked, rejected, or betrayed or cheated on us. So we try finding all the flaws, all the mistakes that we have done, and we start hating ourselves from that point. And that is the reason this body dysmorphic disorder might originate. This is one of the reason. Another reason is your parent is expecting too much of perfection from your looks from your childhood. They are controlling your diet so that you will stay slim, you will stay fit. There are parents like that. So there might be a reason that your parents are expecting you too much from you, and that might be the reason that you are also expecting too much from you. So this is body dysmorphic disorder. Accept yourself as you are and then you will lose weight. Accept yourself as you are and then you will start changing. Accept all your flaws, accept all your mistakes, accept everything, and then work on your subconscious mind to change it. With the help of law of attraction, you can change it. There is nothing impossible in the world. I was very dark skinned in my childhood, and then suddenly I became fair, and again I became dark skinned, and now again I am fair skinned. My clients, I am not doing makeup. Currently I am meditating and I am doing too much of healing, due to which I don't know what happened to my skin, but again I have become fair. Last year I was having dark circles. Last year I was having dark skin. I don't know why. I have not made changes in my diet. I have only started healing and meditating for a longer period of time. I've started chanting some kind of mantras, and that might be also the reason for this glow. So if you have liked my video, if you have gained some wisdom out of it, then like it, subscribe my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the bell icon, and comment below. You can avail inner child healing or age regression session from me. You can get contact and address in the description box. You can contact me on that.